Hi, I'm Tim Johnson, Senior Pastor of Orlando World Outreach Center. We all love a good break, whether it's a lunch break at work or a hard-earned week's vacation. We tend to savor every moment of our time off. In the same way we enjoy our time away from the busyness and chaos of life, it's how we should enjoy our time with Christ. With the pace many of us have in life, it's tempting to rush our time with Jesus or get into a mundane routine of daily devotional just to ease our conscience for the day. When we rush and take for granted those precious moments with Jesus, we miss out on the abiding peace that's available in the midst of a hectic life, as well as the experiences we wouldn't know existed without His presence. Proverbs 19:2 says, "Desire without knowledge is not good, and whoever makes haste with his feet misses the way." There's so much that God wants to do in our lives, and so many places He wants to take us. But we have to simply slow down. Don't let life rush your time with God. Savor your time in Him. Enjoy the peace in Him, and you will begin to experience the amazing opportunities and blessings He has in store for your walk with Him and the people He's called you to walk with, because none of us walk alone.